Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Joanne.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aishan. Everyone, please turn on your camera. Al-Fatih, please turn on your camera. Barira, Ishan, Aishan.
Okay. And I will mute. Oh, this time you come early.
It's actually your time, yes? You know what day is today?
What? Children's Day?
Diwali.
Yesterday?
Definitely
Diwali?
Diwali, yes. It's Diwali in India. Good job. What else is there?
Your birthday?
No, mine is on August 21st.
Wait, Naraka. Cha. I don't know the rest.
Ganesh Chaturthi?
Huh?
Are you talking about Chaturthi? No. It is related to you guys. Ishan, Aishan, if you're not turning on, I'll give you a black star.
Children's Day?
Okay. Aishan is here,
Hi,
Ishan.
ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, Namila. How are you?
Okay.
Today is the day we select a leader.
Yeah. So, can you put my name on the board just for fun?
Name I'll put. How many of you have been leaders? Please raise your hands. I'm in readers. I read. Yeah, Barira. Ishan has been leader. Joan has been leader, right? Joan?
Yes, Joanne has.
Can you put your hands up?
Wait, no, Joanne hasn't.
No?
No, only Lazel.
Okay, Barira, Aishan. No, sorry, not Aishan. So sorry. Barira, Haya, Ishan, and Laser. Who else?
No, Joanne first.
You can put your hand up. Laser is not here. Who else is not here?
Can you work here on the monitor board?
Your name is there. Don't worry. I have not shared it yet.
Oh wow. John was the leader.
What about if you guys even put? What about if you put even our names who have been the leaders, and if it lands on our names, we can pick who the leader is.
Joanne was the first leader.
For those who weren't the leaders before.
Let me check. Aisha ma'am send me a list of those who have been leaders. Let's check.
It's kind of like classic generation.
Yeah.
Leader.
Ma'am, I went to the
Blah, 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 blah,
I
blah.
went to see a Milky Way.
So Joan has been leader. Joan, Barira, Laser, Haya, and Ishan.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, ready? Shall we start? Ishan, your camera is not turned on.
Ma'am, but then, I saw the Milky Way.
You saw the Milky Way where?
From Dubai.
The diabetes presentation I sent it to Amina.
Oh yeah, I saw your messaging in that thing, Canva.
We are done. Yeah.
I'm sorry, by the way.
If you want to get one of your spinning wheels like that, you just need that same link as man. Then you need to create your own spinning wheel
1 second.
with your own words. Man typed in all our names. Wait, is it gonna pick me? What?
Yeah. Ready? We will. Shall we start?
Yes.
Who thinks
No, it's
their
actually-
name will come this time?
Me.
Yeah, I think Barera. Probably.
Like,
Okay, Barira.
nah, I'm gonna actually have lots of fun then.
No, that's only Barira thinks her name will come.
Maybe I should. I'll have lots of fun then if I'm the leader.
Ready? 3,
Yeah.
2,
2, 1.
1.
Please, Haya. Ishan? Nah. Again, you?
So we are doing again, don't worry. I just added the name for fun. Let's see how many times it comes.
Yeah. Ishan, one time I'm gonna mark that down in my brain. And the marker.
Oh my god, this wheel loves
Bro.
experimenting.
Two times marked in my brain
If
for
it comes
Ishan.
one more time, I'll remove his name. Okay.
It's really just likes his name, I think. Bro. Oh yeah, Haya.
At least it's changed.
Okay, Haya marked down one time. Ishan two times. If it hits Ishan or Haya, I don't know.
Yay.
Amila, but Amila has already been the leader, I think, once.
We are going to be the leader this coming 2 weeks.
No, Amila was the leader, I think, only.
Amila, do you want to say something? You're the leader, right?
Yeah. Oh, she's shy.
Amila, you cannot be shy. You are the leader here. Come on.
If no one listens to me when I'm the monitor, I just usually shout at them.
That's the shout. Amila,
Yeah.
you're mute. You're on mute right now.
Nothing to say.
Nothing to say?
Positive damage.
Whom do you want as your assistant leader? You can select the person who has not been.
Please.
Ah,
Haya or
it can be
me
anyone.
or Aishin or any girl here.
It can be a boy also. Any girl or boy. Amila?
Usually we team. What? I didn't hear.
You have to select an assistant leader.
I think Amila is definitely gonna choose a girl.
It can be anyone, any boy.
Yeah, but I feel like because we're kind of like against the boys, you know. I don't know. They'll select.
It's just pick out a name who you think can help you.
Okay, wait. I have an idea. If your brain is not working, just do the eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
That can work.
Yeah, just take your mouse, like wait.
Amila's thinking hard. Amila, come on. There are so many people. Alpatu is there, Aishin is there, Sidhu
Let's
is
see
there.
if I do eeny, meeny, miny. Look, eeny, meeny, mouse is like this. Take your mouse and then go over here. I'm not selecting that. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger on its toe. If it wiggles, let it. I mean, if it bites, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny. I can't. I forgot the line again. It's because I'm my.
Do it till your name comes. Okay, Parira, let's ask Aish. Amila, do you have a name?
I'm just gonna move this
Or should we
annoying
select one?
screen. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger on its toe. If it wiggles, let
You
it
need to
go.
pause, my dear. Can you stop the thing? Let her
Okay.
choose, right? She's the leader. Do you
Yeah.
have a name in mind to help you out? A helper assistant. Assistant leader.
Oh, hi. Why do you want to pair with me? Right away.
Okay,
Why
now
that?
I select then.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes. Amila, you're the leader. You cannot be silent like this. You have to be the voice.
Amila. Knock, knock. Is there anyone in your brain? I don't know, ma'am. Select.
I'm select. Okay.
Wait.
Yes, what is it?
Why is Amila like thinking positive? Like she has no idea.
Shows favoritism to anyone by selecting someone.
Like she's thinking, who has like good
Sam,
talent?
your
Who knows
camera
how to
is
be a
not
good
turned on. I'm
monitor?
not going to give you attendance.
Amila, you gotta pick.
Okay.
You gotta pick. Just pick any of us.
Amila,
Me,
come
Haya,
on. Come on,
Devan,
Amila.
Aishan, Muhammad, or
Come
maybe
on.
yourself.
Ma'am, please speak.
Teta.
Okay. Then assistant leader tomorrow will pick by me. Sounds good?
Okay.
Okay.
Can't you just pick me or Haya?
No. Then I'll pick favoritism. I don't want to do that. So we'll pick by wheel tomorrow. Ma'am is here. Bye bye, people. And Amina, do well. You're the leader, okay? Bye bye.
Well, why is there one class?